Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve printer network error message 0x000709 element not found in your Windows. Let's fix that issue guys. Go to search menu and type CMD. Click run as administrator over here and click yes guys. Now copy my command description in this video guys, copy it and tap the bar, right click and eject and paste it, press enter. Now if the update was installed in your system, it would process to walk through the uninstallation or removal process. It's not currently installed in our system, so we don't need to do anything guys further with it. For that, if it was installed, just go ahead and let it complete. The removal process will successfully finish guys. After that, go ahead and restart your PC. You should good to go guys. After that, let's move on to the second step guys. Go to CMD again and copy the second command guys. This will registry command guys, copy it and tap the bar, right click and eject and paste it, press enter guys. Operation completed successfully. Close out of here. Hopefully this can able to resolve your problems guys. Thanks for watching my video. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you so much. After finishing that, go ahead and restart your PC guys. You should restart your PC guys.